Sri Sai Guru channel. How are you everybody? Dear students, today class we will discuss one more important questions from the chapter Real Numbers, exercise 1.1. What is the question given here? Find the SCF and LCM of the given numbers and verify the relation SCF into LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. So the numbers are 26 and 91. By the factorization method, calculate SCF and LCM here. Let us take first number 26. 26 is the even number, so it is divided by 2. That is 2 13s are 13 1s are. So factors of 26 are 2 and 13. Okay. Then take another number 91. 91 is not divided by 2 because it is an odd number. It is dividing by 7. 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 13, 1s are 13. The factors of 91 are 7 into 13. This way you have to do the factorization. So do divisions in each and every steps carefully. If you made the mistakes here, then we will get the factors which is not correct. Then how to find SCF? SCF of the two number, SCF of 26 and 91 is, let us take only the prime common factor. 13 is the common factor here. So SCF of these two number is 13. What is LCM? LCM how to take here? First write down the common factor. Okay, na? See, the SCM of 26 and 91 is 13 into remaining factors. What are the remaining here? 2 and 7 are the remaining factors. So these two are the uncommon factors. 13 is the common factor. Do multiply. 13 2s are 26 into 7. 37 6 are 42. 4 carry 182. The LCM of these two numbers is 182. Okay, let us verify this relation. When you multiply SCF and LCM, this product must be equal to product of the given number. That is 13 into 182 is equal to 26 into 91. So here we have to do multiplication. Do this properly. 13 into 182. 13 into 182. 182 is equal to 13 into 182. And doing calculation here, that is 2366. 2366. And here also the answer, the product is 2366. Let us do here multiplication. 26 into 91. 1 6 are and 1 2 are 2. 9 6 are 54. 9 2 is 18 plus 5 23. We are getting correct answer, that is 2366. So here on multiplying we will get the same product on the both side. So this way we have to verify the relation between SCF, LCM and product of the given number. Same next number also, which is the next number given in this exercise, finding SCF and LCM of 510 and 92. Let us take next number. Okay. Second number 510 and what is the next number? That is 92. Both are even number. Do this factorization. Okay, I will rub this one. Same relation I got here. Let us start. 510 divide by 2. So it is dividing by 2. As I told before, do division without making any mistake. 2 are 4, 2 5s are and 2 5s are. Next, okay, is this correct? Yes, it is correct. This number is dividing by 5. 5 is a 25, 5 1s are. Then, okay, actually this number is dividing by 3 also. How 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 is the multiple of 3. So this number 255 is dividing by 3. that is 3 8s are 24 and 5s are, and 85 is dividing by 5, 5 1s are 5, remains 3 here, 5 1s are 5, okay, 17s are, okay, 71s are. The factors of 510 are, 510 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Let us take next number. Here only I will do, okay, na? 92, small number. To see, this is the 92 is the even number. So first factor of this number is 2 only. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, and 2 3s are, 23 1s are. 23 is the prime number here, so 23 is dividing by itself only. Then the factors of, so here I make the column, 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. So it is so simple to find the SF of the given number. So what is the SF here? See what is common. We should find out the common. Okay. 2 is common and 3 also common there. So the product of this number is 6. 6 is the SF of the given number. And next, what is the LCM? LCM, I will write the LCM here. LCM of these two numbers is equal to. See, first write down the common factor. 2, 3 are the common factor. This is the common factor. What are remains here? 5 into 17 into 2. 5, 17 and 2. Or 2 into 5 and 17. So carefully write down the remaining factors. 2, 3 are the common factors. Okay. 2, 3 are the common factors there. 2 and 3. No, sorry, here the 2 is only common. No, it is not 2, that is 23. That is 23. So what is the common here? Is here. Only 2 is the common factor. Only 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor. 2 is the common factor. Yes. And the remaining numbers are 3, 5, 17. Once again I will rewrite here. 2 is the common factor. First write down the common factors. 2, 3, 5, 17. 3 into 5 into 17. Okay, here it is completed. Next, 2 into 23. 2 into 23. 2 into 23. So it has more the common factors. 2 is only the common factor. So whenever you are writing LCM, write first LCM. It will be easy. Okay. Then on calculate here. So we are getting the answer to 23,460. So whenever if I do the multiplication, the video will be lengthy. So that's why you can check the answer using what usual multiplication method there. So finally LCM of these two number, the LCM of the number with number 510 and 92. 510 and 92 is equal to 23,460. Then later verification. So this is the verification. 2 into LCM. It is 2 into 23,460 is equal to 510 into 92. 510 into 92. Then, so 2 here. Multiplication. Directly I will do. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8 plus 1. 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. 46,920 is the product of the SF and LCM. Let us take here 510 into 92. 0, 2 and 2 5 is 10. 9 is 0, 9 1s are 9. 9 5s are 45. So the answer, okay, correct answer 46,920. 46,920 is the product of the given number. So if these two products are equal, then it is what this we can say that the SF and LCM of the two numbers are correct. So our answer is correct. So this way you have to you can do the the calculation of SF and LCM using factorization method, and this is the verification method. Okay, I hope you are understood this problem. Please do share, comment and subscribe She Sahitriya channel. Thank you.